What we look for in a candidate is someone that will challenge the status quo. What it means is to constructively and professionally challenge the way a process or the way a business runs, because that's where innovation happens.
Marketing Management Financial Services is a one-year certificate program that provides students the skills that they need to succeed in the world of financial services in particular, exposes them to a variety of different skill sets in financial services, and they've got the expertise in marketing so they can really bring those two things together, or to a variety of other industries. The Canadian Securities Course is sort of the centrally important course that you must pass in order to be accredited to work in a variety of roles in the financial services industry. And once you get that course, it's going to be opening up just a variety of doors that otherwise would simply not be there for you. I think George Brown College is rightfully proud of this program because we've seen the success that a lot of our graduates have gone on to achieve. We've had a number of employers who are actually now doing on-site interviews for either co-op opportunities or actually full-time opportunities. So we're starting to develop those relationships that are actually going to be leading students very, very directly from academic success in the classroom to making the contact to actually having a job upon graduation.
The tipping point to kind of enrolling in this program for me was the co-op and the placement. I just find, how do you know you like working in something unless you've actually tried it? You can only learn so much from a textbook. We have a co-op class and they put you into contact with other businesses. I did a few interviews and this was the one I liked the most, so I just went for it and now I'm hired full time.
Speaker series occurs in the first of the 3 semesters. Somebody from industry comes in and spends about an hour addressing students and answering questions.
What technologies do we need to bring in to make things better for the client? Do you have these skills to be like a universal problem solver?
So there's a wonderful opportunity not only to hear about how the industry works and receive really practical advice about how you can advance your career, but there's a chance to make some really valuable contacts at the same time.
I think the most valuable thing that I learned by going through that program was just the importance of networking and putting yourself out there and sort of becoming aware with what your personal brand is and really owning up to that.
The way the students benefit is really in a number of ways. Now they've got the expertise in financial services and they've got the expertise in marketing, so they can really bring those two things together, and then really the sky's the limit.